The strangest defeats in military history. In 1932, Australia went to war against birds. After World War I, farmers in Western Australia struggled as huge flocks of emus invaded their crops. The government sent soldiers with machine guns to drive them off. But the emus were too fast, too scattered, and too stubborn. After weeks of chasing, the army fired thousands of rounds, and the birds basically won. The Great Emu War became one of